Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nige, but everyone calls me Nige, so you can call me Nige. Today we have another cooking tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a smoked paprika chipotle aioli with a BLT grilled cheese with some sweet potato fries on the side. And if you want to see how we got it, just keep on watching. With no further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with the aioli first. So we're going to take some good helpings of some mayonnaise. I use 3, but the more mayonnaise you put is the more sauce you're going to make. So for this, I actually used 3 because I wanted to dip my grilled cheese in there and my french fries. So I start off with 3 scoops or 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to go in with some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. You can get this literally at any supermarket. It's in a can. And then I'm going to blend that in a blender because I don't have a food processor because it's probably packed up in a box somewhere. So I'm just going to use a blender, use what you got. And mix that around, scoop the sides, and make it a more sauce-like consistency that's one color all throughout. So just scrape and keep on mixing. And y'all, meet my dad. He was real interested in what I was doing, but this is what your sauce should look like. And then, as the kids say on the Twitter, let it vibe out on the side. Now onto the sandwich. We're going to use some brioche toast because it's thick and it's wide. And I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise has a higher smoking point than butter. So if you're going to put this in a pan and not on a panini press, I recommend using mayonnaise because you want it to get some good char to the toast. So I fried some bacon up and then I crumbled it. I don't like using strips of bacon on my BLT because I feel like they slide all over the place. So crumble up the bacon and you have more bacon. This part is completely up to you guys, is the cheese. I personally liked using mild cheddar and provolone for my grilled cheese. Yes, I'll use 2 or 3 cheeses. So in one part of the sandwich, I'm just going to add some lettuce. I added romaine lettuce for the sandwich. The lettuce doesn't really matter, but it's up to you. And then I'm going to take off 1/2 of the sandwich just so I can add the tomato and then add the toast on top. Boom, just like that. So after that, you're going to give it one good flipperoonie and let the cheese melt a little bit. I personally don't mind my sandwich being a little bit on the, a little crunchy side. So it's totally up to you. Just watch your fire. So yeah, today's recipe is super easy. It's a sandwich. It's still summertime. I really don't feel like cooking all that much. So I just want to make things that are simple and easy. And I love grilled cheeses and I love BLTs. So I thought, why not just put them together and make a nice little lunch, In my opinion, I feel like if you're going to have a sandwich, you need a side. So we're going to make some french fries. Now listen, I come from a black household. Yes, you see me pouring oil out of a coffee can, but we reserve oil in this household.
Perfect.
So because the grilled cheese sandwich doesn't really have a lot of flavor, and then the chipotle sauce has a little heat to it, we have to add something sweet just to balance out the flavor profiles. So we're doing sweet potato fries today instead of regular plain fries, but you can always switch it out. And after the fries are done, I'm just going to cut my sandwiches in triangles and plate them on a plate. And look how yummy. Let me tell you, my family thought that I was making lunch for them when I was really trying to make this video for YouTube, but I ended up making 4 sandwiches. So there's that. All in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy sandwich summer recipe. Try saying that 3 times fast. Would you eat this? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.